is part 3 and we got to read the Brahmanos.
I can eat this because
And the sticks. We got the tissue on side of her. It's white
we have so many
tissue.
white cloud.
White tissue.
And then like
White cloud facial tissue. Guarantee fun part. Fun part?
Okay.
Sino kinain niyo? I'm literally so full. Pero gusto ko pa. Wait, may pasabog pa ako. Pass muna. Guys, I got this. It's big burger, but it doesn't have buns. I already ate the buns. Oh my god. Cavities.
This is a meat.
Unahin natin yung unahin natin yung
Meat.
kasi best for last. Hating magpinsan ha. Hindi kasi tayo magkapatid. Wait lang. Palamigin muna na.
Ito na akin yung kulay
muna
yellow.
natin. Wait lang. Painitin muna natin. Kanina yung kulay green.
Iyo.
Wait lang. Mamaya
Wala.
na. Initin na.
Pinilin kasi
Huh?
Your hands so dirty.
Hoy! Nag-ano ako! Tissue ako. Ano ka?
Ganyan. Tama. Ganyan mukha kanina Alam mo. Hindi na ako magkain yan. I change your mind.
Wala ka.
Yes, of course I change your mind.
Ang arte mo naman. Hindi. Kanina, sige pa siya, doon, kuha. Hindi mahiya. Tapos ang arte niya pala. What if
Konti
may
lang
poison
akin.
yun?
Konti lang akin.
Ay,
Hindi mo guys mati yan.
Hindi na kinamasi.
Ay, mati. Itong green ako.
Hindi ko maano. Ito yung akin.
Yellow.
Gaya tayo dyan sa lettuce, ha?
This is a cheese.
Cheese pool. Meat pool, guys. Meat pool.
It's like a clay.
Taba kasi to.